everyone, this is Odette with ENVEA. Here at ENVEA, we manufacture products to monitor solids, gases, and dust across all applications. It is my pleasure today to have Tiago Moraes with us to discuss one of my favorite products that ENVEA manufactures, and that is called AirSafe. Hi, Tiago.
Hello, Odette. How are you doing? Good talking to
Great.
you and sharing good applications.
Wonderful to see you virtually. Hope all is well with you. And I want to jump in right away to our favorite product, the AirSafe 2.
It's a pleasure. Let's do it.
Okay. So, Tiago, I have had an experience where I've spoken with multiple application stakeholders that are
Yep.
looking to solve their process issues, specifically when it comes to AirSafe, looking at their worker safety in the work environment. And these have to do with dusty applications
All right.
where dust is generated through the processes in an ambient condition. And I'm often asked if we have a product that could address their need. AirSafe comes to mind. Could you tell us about the AirSafe product?
The AirSafe, it's a compact device, easy to install. It's basically plug and play. With the AirSafe, you can monitor dust indoors and outdoors. The AirSafe works with the electrodynamic technology, and it basically collects the air from one side and moves through a duct where the rod is installed.
So you can create a continuous signal from the device if you choose to, or you can have an on-off switch to sound an alarm. Is that correct?
Exactly. You have one output for an alarm and one output, an analog output for a trend. And then you have an idea if the dust concentrations get higher or decreasing.
Okay, wonderful. So you can create a trend of your process and the resulting dust emissions. Tiago, is this AirSafe product easy to install?
It is very easy to install. The AirSafe is basically a duct that you have to install closer to the dust emission points. If you identify that closer to the silo or closer to the conveyor belt or close into a bag filling area, it's the point with higher dust levels, you can just install AirSafe there.
Wonderful. And the AirSafe unit itself comes with as I understand it, an electrodynamic probe inside it that actually monitors the levels of dust created during the process, correct?
Exactly.
What's the maximum temperature the unit can sustain?
We can go up to 140 Fahrenheit.
140 Fahrenheit, and that is the temperature that protects the electronics from malfunctioning. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly. The temperature limitation is all based on the electronics because with the same rod, we can go in applications with much more than that.
Wonderful. Tiago, could you tell me the envelope size of this unit, just approximately? How big is it?
The AirSafe is very compact. Think about 20 by 4 by 4 inches. So it's a pretty compact device.
Is there a fan with the unit that draws a certain amount of air?
Exactly. The AirSafe has a fan in one side which conveys the dust from one side to the other. You can see in pictures right now how it goes.
So it sounds like it's easy to install, it's compact in size. It definitely addresses the question of the customers having a safe environment for their employees.
Exactly.
Some of the applications that I have encountered could be quite varied. We have supplement manufacturing. These are production facilities for powdered supplement
Mhm.
to make into vitamins. We have carpentry applications, wood dust, wood shaving, as well as a wheat storage facility. These are the spectrum of applications that I've encountered so far. Would you say the same AirSafe 2 unit would be applicable to all of these applications?
Using the same device, we can cover all of those three applications. You can unite all of those three as organic materials, even applications with mineral materials. Like this picture that you're seeing right now, it's an application with perlite. AirSafe monitoring the perlite concentration in the air. Perlite is a good material used in the construction-based products.
Thank you, Tiago. One last question I have, and this is something I'm asked often. What is the maintenance of a unit like this?
That's a pretty good point. The maintenance with AirSafe 2 is easy to do. You basically remove the both grids in each side and you can just wipe out inside. We just want to avoid short circuit between the rod and the duct.
Wonderful. And if there is a mishap during operations, there is an alarm that would sound that would alert operators that there is special attention needed on occasional basis. Thank you, Tiago, for this informative session.
It was a pleasure.
And thanks everyone for watching this video. Please share it with your colleagues and friends. And please reach out to us at ENVEA for all the solutions we can share with you and your process needs.
So thank you very much for watching and see you next time with more solid measurement. Ciao, ciao.